In module number 5, in reflection of on the discerning the role of the Holy Spirit in the church, I learned about the role of Holy Spirit in the church, and I realized how vital His presence and His guidings and inspiring us and strengthening our faith. And the Holy Spirit is the Spirit of truth who helps the church remain united, teaches us to understand God's will, and empowers us to carry out His mission in the world. And I felt inspired, knowing that through the Holy Spirit, each member of the church is given gifts and graces to serve God and others, katulad ng anong Pentecostal festivity na nangyari. At the same time, I recognize my own limitation in fully listening and responding to the Spirit's guidance. And sometimes when I fail to discern His direction because I rely too much on my own understanding or ignore the prompting of conscience, this reflection made me feel both humbled and motivated to grow spiritually as a Christian.